national security. Harley-Davidson fell 2.3%, while the U.S. Baker has in the past warned of a significant impact on its sales. The European Union decides to increase duties. 6.5%. This, of course, adds to worries about the China-U.S. Chinese imports, and Beijing vowed to retaliate.
Oil prices have soared after oil producers agreed to modest crude output increases to compensate for losses in production at a time of rising global demand. Organization of the petroleum exporting countries, or OPEC, and other top crude producers meeting in Vienna agreed to raise output from July by about 1 million barrels per day. However, Iraq believes the real increase will be around 770,000 barrels per day because several countries that recently suffered production declines will struggle to reach it. Other producers may not be able to fill the gap. The actual output increases set a bullish tone as they came in below some of the higher figures that had been discussed prior to the meeting. Brent crude settled up 3.4% to $75.55 a barrel. U.S. crude rose 4.6% to $68.58 a barrel, getting an additional boost after a surprise large drawdown at the storage hub at Cushing, Oklahoma. U.S. crude's discount to Brent rose by about 15% to $6.36 in the session, making it the smallest since May 11. Brent crude was up 2.7% on the week, while U.S. crude was up 5.5%.
And quickly, before we cap off, French supermarket chain Casino and cosmetics group L'Oreal are launching new beauty stores in Paris this weekend, the latest effort by brick-and-mortar retailers to retain customers in the face of online competition. The two companies said on Friday that the new stores, dubbed Le Drugstore Parisien, will offer beauty products and healthcare goods, as well as over-the-counter medicines. Coca-Cola, tied up with L'Oreal, marks its latest move away from grocery stores, as France's traditional retailers seek new ways to appeal to shoppers.
Those were all of the news stories this afternoon. Next, we have Thailand in perspective right here on Radio Thailand News.
Radio Thailand News.
Laws pertaining to corruption were amended in 2015 to include